Aye. Tia, you're done from the first, the youngest in my family, to the oldest. You're not done. Everybody are egg you on and a boots on and I say your family bad. I mean I have nobody. Yeah. Judge British will send message say you got post and carry me down. Una not done. Una not done. So una phone family bad. Me come tell you say nobody him not go done cause everybody a cheery man. And me's nobody and the whole of them can't come beat me. And they can't come shitting on my blood clot yard. But here, God go with you. Me just tell my daughter send me a shit pan. So you're not satisfied. You're not done. You carried on my whole family yesterday. I done your big pussy cousin because she called me. And I got son have much in bad for me and come shitting on my yard. See that? Come shitting on my yard, you know. And wipe the tissue. That sweet you know, don't. That is enticing. So come shitting on my front yard. Theo, you not done Miss Jane, little girl. What you say? Me not have nobody and your whole family bad. So they come shitting on my yard. Pan top of how you done me and me sit down and hold it. And everybody have boots and a egg and I tell you say it's alright. No can't draw me down, you know. You son in a Tottenham, you can always come here to come shit me. Just tell my daughter. The whole of them are entertaining. Yeah, and an eggy man. So they come here yesterday for beat me kind of bad. And come shitting on my yard. See shitting, I'm up alive. Eh? Alive, me, yeah. See them, me up alive. Them, wanna win again, man. Wanna win. Alive, me up and I show them the shit. Nas. God go with you, you know, Miss Girl. Little Miss Girl. The man come shit and me do away and wipe it with. I him do it. So you're not done. What else you want? My pussy tongue you want to carry with you? Hmm? See that? It disturb London. I don't know how she go work. I have to say London and me this shit upon. So torturing me and done my whole family. I have big stinking old fire. Where I come vex because me and do it class. I come talk about my tongue against the fire. Obviously, how could you see your brother demolish your uncle demolish the whole of my family from young to old? And you gonna call me and tell me where my husband talk. At least my husband talk me in a private, chat me in a private. But look how you give me 100 man and I tell them I walk over your cousin, your uncle done me. Miss little girl done me. Are you upset because me and do it call your name upon life? I could have done Nancy. You hear that? I could have talked about the whole of your family what I don't know. But you know what? Out of respect. I'm not going to be the same. But no. The whole of our boots there. Yes, it's done you, Queenie. Eh. Just because I don't want to dim me shine. I'm not because I don't me a shit pan. When you shit pan me, brother Mac, all of this what you do, it has to stop one day. How long you think you're going to do me, delamish me? You're going to get a beating in the mighty name of Jesus in the right time. And me not going to be the one to beat you. Because me I deal with this as pure. Me not afraid of you. Me not prove nothing to you. This was meant to happen. You try to draw out my family and for draw me out. But good luck to you with the big shit of money. Watch the prosperity. Watch the growth with Queenie. Watch the ride with Queenie. You see that spirit? Nobody's not going to run you down and call your name. And that's your fight for my spirit. When everybody by Queenie! You see that shit there? May I take it positive. You hear that? I make sure I show it on the live. See that? Big black as shit. See that with tissue. That's not my phone back. That's the phone back. What video they do it? need the police station to do a DNA. Dwayne Scarlett. Do it. All of una boots THEO. All is sweet, you know. But THEO, you will get to a comfy and me I give it. So all of your distant trouble away you make. Remember, you know. Me not, your family at Jamaica bad for me. Everybody bad. You just bad. And me just sit down and you just done, man. The whole entire world is amazed of what you're doing. The whole world. May I come, baby?